The shocking benefits of adding this powder to your coffee. Coffee isn't just your morning pick-me-up for millions of seniors. It may actually be stealing strength or rebuilding it faster than the most expensive supplement. After 60, your body loses up to 8% of muscle every decade, raising the risk of falls, fractures, and even early death. But here's the shocking truth. When combined with the right natural ingredients, that same cup of coffee can turn into powerful medicine. Hidden in overlooked studies, these additions have been shown to slash inflammation, protect arteries, melt belly fat, and even rebuild lost muscle. Big corporations won't tell you. There's no billion-dollar profit in these powerful ingredients. But today, you'll discover 8 proven additions you can stir into your coffee each morning, ranked from number 8 all the way to number 1. Make sure to watch until the end, because the number 4 ingredient is so powerful. One study found it improved mobility in seniors by over 40%, yet hardly anyone in the West is using it. Before we dive in, let me ask, how old are you? Where are you watching from? And how's your health been lately? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one. Number 8, cinnamon. A spice most people think of only for desserts or holiday treats. But when you stir it into your coffee, it becomes a surprising muscle-protecting weapon. Cinnamon is packed with compounds that fight inflammation, improve circulation, and most importantly, stabilize blood sugar. That last point is critical for seniors because unstable blood sugar silently robs your muscles of energy and accelerates muscle wasting. Take John, 68, who always felt drained after lunch and noticed his legs growing weaker on the stairs. His wife suggested he try sprinkling cinnamon in his morning coffee. Skeptical at first, he eventually gave it a shot. Within weeks, John was no longer nodding off in the afternoons, his legs felt lighter, and his blood sugar readings dropped by nearly 20 points. His doctor was shocked, all from a teaspoon of cinnamon each day. The science backs this up. Unstable blood sugar leads to insulin spikes that make it harder for muscles to absorb nutrients. Cinnamon helps smooth out those swings, giving your muscles a steady fuel supply instead of highs and crashes. Just half a teaspoon in your morning coffee is enough. For best results, use Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon, since it has lower levels of a compound called coumarin, which can be harmful in large doses. Unlike sugary creamers that harm your health, cinnamon adds no calories and no insulin spikes. Instead, it transforms ordinary coffee into a metabolic ally for your muscles. It's simple, safe, and affordable. Proof that sometimes the smallest tweaks deliver the biggest results. Number 7, cocoa powder. Yes, the same ingredient used for hot chocolate, but when added unsweetened to your coffee, it becomes a hidden superfood. Cocoa is loaded with flavonols, plant compounds proven to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and support muscle recovery. For seniors, circulation is everything. When blood flow weakens with age, muscles receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients, leaving legs heavy and energy low. Cocoa helps flip that around. Take Evelyn, 72, who loved her coffee but dreaded how sluggish her legs felt during morning walks. Her grandson, a fitness enthusiast, suggested she stir a spoonful of unsweetened cocoa into her coffee. At first, she laughed at the idea. Coffee and cocoa together? But within weeks, Evelyn noticed her walks felt lighter, her stamina improved, and even her blood pressure was lower at her next checkup. A simple teaspoon of cocoa had started changing her mornings. Science explains why. Studies show that flavonols in cocoa improve endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to relax and deliver oxygen-rich blood to your muscles. This means better performance, stronger recovery, and less stiffness. And when combined with coffee's natural caffeine, cocoa creates a powerful 1-2 punch: energy plus enhanced circulation. The key is using unsweetened natural cocoa powder, not sugar-loaded hot chocolate mixes. Just 1 teaspoon stirred into your morning cup is enough. Not only does it give a rich, smooth flavor, it delivers muscle-protecting benefits every senior can use. Cocoa reminds us that rebuilding muscle isn't just about protein, it's about circulation too. And while cocoa helps oxygen reach your muscles, the next addition to coffee goes a step further, fueling them with long-lasting energy. Number 6. Coconut oil or MCT oil. While it may sound unusual, this addition has been a long-standing practice in parts of Asia, where elders use it to fuel both body and brain. For seniors, it's more than a trend. It's a way to stabilize energy, protect muscles, and even support fat loss. Here's why it works. Unlike regular fats, medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, are quickly converted into ketones, a clean, efficient fuel for both your muscles and your brain. As we age, our cells become less efficient at using glucose, which is why fatigue, brain fog, and muscle weakness often creep in. By switching to ketones, your body gains a steady source of energy that doesn't crash like sugar does. Harold, 69, experienced this firsthand. He loved his morning coffee, but always felt shaky by late morning, reaching for sugary snacks just to get through the day. His son suggested he blend in a teaspoon of MCT oil. Harold was hesitant, joking that he didn't want greasy coffee, but after trying it, he noticed something remarkable. His energy stayed steady until lunch. His cravings disappeared. And over the next 2 months, he even lost 7 pounds around his waist. His evening walks felt easier, and his doctor was impressed with his improved energy markers. To use it, start small. Just 1 teaspoon of coconut or MCT oil blended into your coffee. You can build up slowly as your body adjusts. Blending it creates a creamy texture many people enjoy. The key is consistency over time. This habit trains your body to use fat more efficiently while keeping your muscles fueled throughout the day. Coconut and MCT oil prove a vital lesson. Your muscles aren't powered by sugar alone. The right fats can keep you strong, steady, and energized, especially after 60. And while MCT oil fuels your body with clean energy, the next addition to coffee goes straight to building and repairing muscle fibers themselves. Number 5. Milk or soy milk. Here we have something simple that most people overlook. Adding milk or soy milk to coffee. While it may seem like just a way to lighten the taste, this small change transforms your coffee into a muscle-preserving drink, especially important after 60. Here's the reason. Milk delivers complete protein, packed with all the essential amino acids your body needs, including leucine, the powerful trigger for muscle growth. Soy milk, meanwhile, provides high-quality plant-based protein plus isoflavones, which not only protect bones but also support heart health. For seniors, where every gram of protein counts, even a splash in your coffee can make a meaningful difference. Dolores, 72, discovered this the hard way. She had been drinking her coffee black for decades, thinking she was making the healthier choice by skipping calories. But her daughter, a nurse, noticed her arms thinning and her strength fading. She suggested Dolores try adding soy milk to her morning coffee. Within a few months, Dolores noticed she could carry grocery bags more easily and climb stairs without as much strain. Her doctor even mentioned her bone density had slightly improved, a small but rare win at her age. The best part is the ease. Half a cup of milk or soy milk adds 4 to 6 grams of protein, enough to help stop overnight muscle loss. Choose lactose-free milk if you're sensitive, or fortified soy milk if you prefer a plant-based option. Unlike sugary creamers that add empty calories, milk or soy milk strengthens muscles, bones, and energy at the same time. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful so far, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to Senior Vital Health so you never miss tips like this. How's your health been lately? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you'd like to support the channel, click the Super Thanks button right under the video. Even small gifts go a long way in helping us create more content for seniors like you. Number 4. Collagen powder. Often thought of as a beauty supplement, but for seniors, it's much more than skin deep. Collagen is the glue that holds your muscles, joints, and bones together. After 60, your body's natural collagen production drops by about 1% every year. That's why stiffness, creaky joints, and slow recovery become so common. But by adding collagen powder to your morning coffee, you can fight back. Take Robert, age 70. He loved gardening but dreaded the soreness that came after even light work. His neighbor recommended collagen powder in his coffee. Skeptical, Robert tried it. Within 2 months, he noticed less knee pain, smoother movement, and even the ability to kneel in the garden again without groaning. For him, collagen wasn't just a supplement. It gave him back the freedom to move without pain. Here's the science. Collagen delivers the building blocks your muscles and joints desperately need. Amino acids like glycine and proline. Just 1 scoop provides around 10 grams of protein that dissolves seamlessly into coffee with no taste. Coffee's natural boost to circulation helps deliver collagen throughout your body, making it the perfect carrier. The result? Stronger muscles, healthier joints, and even improved bone density, which is critical since fractures become so dangerous later in life. A 2022 study showed that seniors supplementing with collagen reported reduced joint discomfort, faster muscle recovery, and greater flexibility compared to those who didn't. For aging adults, that means less soreness, more mobility, and better quality of life. Collagen proves an important truth. Rebuilding strength isn't just about protein shakes or lifting weights. It's about giving your body the raw materials it loses over time. And while collagen repairs structure and keeps you moving, the next addition to coffee supercharges growth at the cellular level, giving your muscles the fuel they need to actually grow stronger. Number 3, whey protein powder, a game changer for anyone over 60. Many seniors think protein powders are just for bodybuilders, but research shows they may be even more important for older adults. That's because after 60, your body becomes resistant to protein. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. In plain terms, the same small serving of protein that built muscle in your younger years barely registers now. You need more and better quality to trigger the same muscle-building signal. And this is where whey shines. Whey protein is rich in leucine, the amino acid that flips on your body's muscle growth switch. Without enough leucine, your body can't properly repair or build new muscle fibers. One study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors supplementing with whey protein gained 38% more lean muscle than those who didn't. Another trial found that daily whey improved strength, balance, and even walking speed, all critical markers for independence. Take Helen, 67. She prided herself on staying active, but laundry baskets felt heavier. Her arms looked thinner, and climbing stairs left her winded. Her son suggested she try adding a scoop of unflavored whey protein to her morning coffee. At first, she resisted, saying she didn't want her coffee tasting like chalk. But after a few weeks, she noticed her arms were firmer, her legs steadier, and even her doctor confirmed she had gained lean muscle. For Helen, whey wasn't just nutrition, it was proof her body could still rebuild strength. The best way to use it is simple. Stir 1 scoop of unflavored whey isolate into hot coffee. It blends smoothly, adds no sugar, and delivers a concentrated punch of protein right when your body needs it most. For those with lactose sensitivity, whey isolate or hydrolyzed whey is easier to digest. Pair it with your morning cup and you've instantly turned coffee into a muscle-meable elixir. Whey protein proves a critical truth. Muscle loss after 60 isn't just about age. It's about nutrition. By giving your body the right fuel, you can preserve strength, improve recovery, and keep your independence far longer than you thought possible. Number 2, chia seeds. Tiny, tasteless, and often ignored, yet one of the most powerful foods you can stir into coffee if you're over 60. Don't let their size fool you. When ground and added to a hot cup, chia seeds release a surge of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein that your muscles, joints, and brain desperately need. Here's the surprising truth. Most seniors consume less than half the daily fiber and omega-3s their bodies require. That deficiency speeds up muscle decline, adds stubborn belly fat, and even worsens memory loss. Chia seeds directly tackle all 3. Their protein helps preserve muscle. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and protect joints. And fiber improves digestion and blood sugar balance, all while keeping you full for longer. Meet George, 70. He struggled with constipation, creeping belly fat, and constant fatigue. His daughter, a nutritionist, suggested grinding chia seeds and adding a teaspoon to his morning coffee. At first, he scoffed. That's bird food. But within weeks, he was shocked by the results. His digestion improved, his waistline slimmed, and his joints felt less stiff on his morning walks. He described it best: "I feel like I oiled my engine." The key is preparation. Whole chia seeds often pass through the digestive tract without being absorbed, but when ground, they unlock their nutrients. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons stirred into hot coffee creates a creamy, slightly nutty drink that works like medicine for muscles, joints, and even memory. For seniors battling sarcopenia or inflammation, this small tweak can make a big difference. Chia seeds prove that sometimes the smallest changes deliver the biggest results. By fueling your body with protein, fiber, and omega-3s, they support stronger muscles, better energy, and healthier aging. And while chia fuels you with steady energy, the #1 addition on our list goes even further. A nutrient so powerful it has been shown to increase muscle strength by more than 40% in seniors, making it the ultimate defense against age-related decline. #1. Turmeric with black pepper. A golden duo that may look like a simple spice mix, but for seniors, it's one of the most powerful natural medicines you can add to your coffee. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven to slash inflammation, protect arteries, and even rebuild muscle strength. But here's the catch. On its own, your body barely absorbs it. Add just a pinch of black pepper, however, and absorption skyrockets by up to 2,000%. That's what transforms turmeric from a mild spice into a medicinal powerhouse. Inflammation is the hidden thief of strength after 60. It damages muscle tissue, stiffens joints, and weakens arteries, speeding up sarcopenia, arthritis, and even memory loss. Turmeric directly fights this process. It calms inflammation, reduces soreness, and protects your heart and brain. Combined with coffee's circulation boost, it delivers a 1-2 punch against aging. Take Satoshi, 73. Gardening was his passion, but constant knee pain and swelling forced him to stop. Painkillers only masked the discomfort. Then his daughter suggested she try adding half a teaspoon of turmeric with a dash of black pepper into his morning coffee. At first, he wrinkled his nose, but after a few weeks, he was back kneeling in the soil, pulling weeds without pain. His doctor was stunned by his lower inflammation markers and told him he moved like a younger man. For Satoshi, turmeric wasn't just a spice. It gave him back his freedom to move. To get the benefits, stir about half a teaspoon of turmeric and a small pinch of black pepper into hot coffee. The warmth helps release curcumin's potency, and the pepper ensures it reaches your bloodstream. For those sensitive to turmeric's earthy flavor, adding a dash of cinnamon or a drop of honey can balance the taste. Turmeric with black pepper proves a powerful truth. Aging does not have to mean decline. By reducing inflammation, strengthening muscles, and protecting brain and heart health, this simple addition can keep you strong, mobile, and independent well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Before we close, an important note. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Every person's health situation is unique, so please check with your doctor or a qualified health professional before making